welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday, Christmas and New Year's. I'm not sure I did a video or at least uploaded one since then. I want to first thank everyone for subscribing and following me. Second, I want to apologize for my looks. Normally I'm a little bit more made up, but since the holidays I have actually been wearing a lot of makeup, so I'm letting my face breathe. So this is bare face and my hair is up. I am going through that postpartum hair growth, postpartum hair loss, as you can see right there and a little bit there. That's what happens when you have babies. And then of course the nice little baby slobber drool there where she fell asleep at. But anyway, on to the actual reason for my video today. I guess you can kind of say I'm lucky to have been in contact with certain people to review products through Amazon. So pretty much they'll email me and say, hey, I have some products in need of testing and review. They'll send me a bunch of links and I get to pick one or two items typically to review. Sometimes none of it sparks my interest. Some of it, like facial products or makeup, I'm not really sure about ordering through Amazon because it most likely comes from overseas and I don't want to cause any kind of breakouts, rashes, or anything else worse on my face. So I typically skip over those. But this product here is something I really can't test out myself. So I actually got it so my husband can test it out. And you're probably wondering, why am I doing this video then? So one is because I may have some men who jump along on my video and say, hey, this is a great product, maybe I should test it out. Two, there's women who watch my videos and may have boyfriends or brothers, husbands, dads, whatever, and maybe can get the product for them. No, I don't get paid to do this. The way it works is they contact me, I say, yes, I'll test this out. They send me the money via PayPal. I take that money from PayPal and turn around and go on Amazon and purchase the item. Then I typically give it about a week to 2 weeks to test out the item, and then I post the review. Then I screenshot the review, send it over to the seller, and then they look at that and go, oh, okay, thank you very much, and then they'll be in contact again for another product to review. Some sellers are adamant that you give them 5 stars. I am one of those where I am honest on my reviews. I don't get paid for my reviews. I don't get paid to do this. If the seller doesn't like my review, they may not ask me to purchase and test out an item again. That's fine and dandy. I don't mind that. But this product here was among 10 other products, and I went with this one because it is something my husband can test out. It is from Dovich. It is a 12-in-1, 100% pure and natural beard care set. And it was wrapped in a nice little plastic. I actually just undid the plastic. I have not opened this to see what's in it. It did have a little ding there, probably just from the Amazon package being tossed up on my porch. So we're going to open this together. So it has a sleeve. Oh, there you go. And it says 12-in-1, so there should be 12 items in this package. And it does say on the back, as I drop it. No, as I drop it some more. It has each item on there. And that time I really dropped it. Alright, so let's see what we have here. And of course I can't test these out because I obviously do not have a beard. But my husband can. So this is a vitamin E aloe vera beard wash. Cleanse and refresh. And it is 100% fragrance free. And then it's got the benefits, directions on how to use it. It's like a beard shampoo, pretty much. So there's the beard wash. Then we have a beard oil. And again, benefits and directions and the ingredients all on the back. I like the little packaging in this. This is, it says beard, yet that looks like a mustache. And then we have a beard balm. And even on the back it says no chemical fillers, no synthetic fragrances. And it tells you the directions on the side, the benefits on the side. And then we have a brush. That's a nice little soft brush. Pretty big and chunky for a man's hand. All right, there we go. We are back. Almost had the camera fall over. All right, so this is the beard brush. So, I mean, it fits in my hand. It can fit in a man's hand. Then you have this, I believe it's like a wood, because it is all organic, I believe. Natural, not organic, but natural. I guess it's the same thing. A beard comb. Smooths frizzy beard. It also helps to sculpt before you apply the balm. So you have the thinner side and then the thicker side. And then you have some scissors. I'm not probably going to be able to get this back in the box the way it was before. Then you have a straight razor. The typical barber straight razor. And again, benefits, directions, caution. And then I like that they add this in here. It's a little, I guess you can kind of call it like a little pop socket for your phone. Well, for your you know, man's phone. But it says, Dad, you are my superhero. So obviously you won't want to be putting this on a man's phone that's not really a dad. But there you go. Put it on the back of your phone. My husband will most likely not use that. And then it's funny because I was just talking to my husband the other day about this. He was shaving, or shaving his face, trimming his beard, and I said, I should have gotten you one of those like bibs or capes for Christmas. The type that you wear around your neck that attach to the mirror so it catches all that stuff. Well, they even have one in here, and it even suctions to the mirror and everything. It is called a beard bib. Or shaving cloth, whatever they want to call it. And then this funky looking comb of sorts. I'm not even sure what that is. What is that? Styling comb. Perfect styling without hurting the skin. So I guess, do you like hold that up and trim around it, or like, I guess. I don't have a beard, so I don't know. And then this nice bag. It's a little drawstring bag to place everything in. And then you also get, it says a ebook, view guide, a book online, and download it for free, written by a professional beard man. So I guess you have to go to the website. There's no website on here, and there's nothing else in the box. So I guess you just have to look it up online to find that out. I don't know. But that is everything. I didn't actually count to see if there was 12. I guess the ebook counts as 12. So it should be 11 items in the box. But that is everything that comes in this little 12-in-1 kit. And I really like the packaging of this. So that's a plus. It's a great package for men. It'd be a great gift set for men. And again, it's Dovich 12-in-1, 100% pure and natural beard care set. And I will link for the Amazon link in the description below. And once my husband is able to test this out and review it, then I can come back on here and give you guys our thoughts. But until then, I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Ciao.